How to tie the Cavendish knot from your perspective. So take your tie, put it around your neck with the wide end on the right. Now this knot is basically a 4-in-hand knot doubled. So form an X with the tie, the wide end in the front. Bring the wide end all the way around the front of the tie. Then you're going to bring that up the hole you formed with the X. Now if you went in the loop here, you would be finishing a 4-in-hand knot. But we're just going to double that going the other direction. So bring the wide end of the tie over to the right side, back behind your knot, crossing over the front. You can tuck your finger in here to make it easier to grab in the next step. Bring that up to the hole formed with the X, and through there, pull down to cinch up your knot, and bring it up to your collar. And there is the Cavendish knot, pretty much the doubled 4-in-hand. Thank you.